Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to scroll my LinkedIn profile page for 5 minutes and let's see how many jobs we can able to pull. Let's jump into the video. Friends, before we start this video I would like you to visit my profile, which is Prakash K, and here is the link I would be sharing in the description as well. So take a look and follow my profile so that you can have lots of job information, job related information. And then talking about my feed, see, GENPACT is hiring for KYC AML professionals in Bangalore and Chennai. If you are interested, you can share your resume with any of these email addresses. I'm going to share it so it will appear on my profile. This is like you can assume like job number 1. And Protivity is looking for candidates on urgent basis for our internal audit advisory division. Jobs are like consultant 2, consultant 3, education CA. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address, swagat.sahu@protivityglobal.in. So I will share this post so it will appear on my profile as well. And keeping that aside, so this person is hiring for HR recruiter. Since there is no email address mentioned, so I'm just ignoring this. And this person is looking for senior graphic designer role, and GrowX company is hiring for graphic designer role. So I'm gonna paste my comments so it will appear on my profile. And JP Morgan is hiring for trade support role with 9 to 13 years of experience in Mumbai location. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address. I will share this on my profile. And keeping that aside, Microsoft is hiring for business analyst, and Disney Hotstar is hiring for solutions engineering manager. And Arpan Tech is hiring in US, so I'm gonna ignore this. What I'll be doing is I'll remove this connection so it won't appear. And MARVELL company is hiring for firmware engineers with 3 to 15 years of experience in Bangalore. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address. So I'm gonna share it on my post. And this is APM interview questions. And Extra Marks is hiring for BDE. So PureSoftware.com is hiring for React Native developer in Pan India location. So this is a remote job. So I would be sharing this post so it will appear on my profile. And again, JP Morgan is hiring for data management associate roles. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this person. So I will be sharing this as well. And keeping that aside, I think I have done with my 5 minutes. In my upcoming video, I would be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.